This is practice video number 4. If you are one of the millions of people smoking globally, there may finally be a healthy alternative for you. But instead of telling you what this healthy alternative is, let me begin by showing you. This is an electronic cigarette. Within this cigarette is a disposable cartridge filled with glycol and nicotine depending upon your preference. When the user draws from the e-cigarette, a sensor inside detects this and activates a heater coil that then vaporizes this liquid into a white cloud. But is this white cloud actually healthier than smoking a cigarette? My name is Schnick, and I'm a student at Oxford College. The purpose of my presentation is to create a logical argument showing why electronic cigarettes are safer to use than cigarettes. I will be making the following 3 claims during my presentation. 1. That electronic cigarettes are safer to use when compared to regular cigarettes. 2. E-cigarettes have less impact on the air quality. And 3. E-cigarettes assist smokers who are attempting to stop smoking. Let's begin by talking about why this topic is important. According to the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Administration, more than 450,000 Americans will die yearly from smoking cigarettes. 450,000 deaths per year may seem like a large number, but this is explained because nearly 21% of American adults smoke daily. But a new trend is forming that most of us here may be familiar with, and that is that e-cigarettes are growing in popularity. E-cigs, from 2009 to 2011, have grown by 5.6%. In addition to these facts, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention states that 63 million children will die from smoking-related diseases if current smoking rates do not change. Some of you may be asking yourself, well, why are cigarettes dangerous when they make you feel so good? Cigarettes are dangerous because nicotine, the feel-good drug, is only one of 4,000 chemicals being inhaled when you smoke a cigarette. Because there are literally thousands of chemicals being inhaled, a person who smokes a cigarette on average will lose 14 minutes of their life per cigarette smoked. In addition, common health risks associated with smoking are osteoporosis, thrombosis, and increased risk of cancer. If you are having difficulty quitting smoking, electronic cigarettes may be the answer for you. Maciej Luk-Skłodowski research was conducted with the purpose of examining the nature of the vapor generated by electronic cigarettes. He began his research by identifying 12 different brands of e-cigarettes which were all in common. He then, in controlled conditions using a smoking machine called the medical smoking machine, extracted the vapors, placing them into a liquid form. With this liquid, he used a chromatograph and spectroscopy method to collect his data. An example of his data collected was regarding the toxic compound acetaldehyde. Within conventional cigarette smoke, 52 to 140 micrograms were found. Compare this number to 0.11/1.36 within electronic cigarettes, and you find an astonishing number of a difference of 450 micrograms. If this data is correct, then e-cigarettes are safer for smokers when compared to conventional cigarettes, because safety of usage in this study is indicated by the number of toxic substances in either the vapor or smoke. Depending upon the number of puffs, the machine would fluctuate this data up or down. Other toxic chemicals found within both conventional cigarettes and electronic cigarettes were formaldehyde, acrolein, and toluene. If you don't believe this research, let me provide you with more information. Timothy Robert McCooley's research used 4 different high-level nicotine liquids this is practice video number 4. Thank you.